Good morning everyone, I am Meena Singh. Today I am going to make a video on telephonic conversation under the guidance of Dr. Gayatri ma'am from BSNL, the largest learning platform of India. So far we have talked and heard so many things on telephonic conversation. Here we will talk how to speak when we encounter the problem in a telephonic conversation, like making a call in an office, making a call if a person is busy, receiving a call, and placing someone on hold. We will learn also how to speak in cancelling and rescheduling the meeting, bad network issue, and also we will talk about low battery problem. So let's start. Let's talk about when we are going to make a call in an office number. The best way to speak is, "Hello, I am Meena Singh. May I speak to Miss Gayatri please? And could I speak to Miss Seema please? And I like to speak Mr. Akash please." So here we should use words like could, would, and may instead of being more direct, want and can, etc. Okay. When next is when we call someone directly on their mobile number. Okay, this conversation will be like this: "Am I speaking with Miss Arunima? Okay. Hello, is that Mr. Akash?" So now we have stabilized our first line, and what with the next further information, we have to frame our next line also, the message which we are going to convey to the next person. Okay, that can be like this: "Hello, I am Meena Singh from ABCD Limited Company. The reason I'm calling is to request for leave today on account of celebration at my home." Okay, that could be anything. This is in connection with the extra English class tomorrow. Okay, I got your number from Rajiv. I was given your number by Miss Devika. Okay, is this a good time to speak? I just got a missed call from this number. I am returning his call. Okay. While making a call, what if a person that you are calling is busy? So you can say like this: "Sure, I will call him back. Could you let me know what time is good to speak?" You can say that: "Could I leave a message for him please?" Okay, that was a talk about making a call. And let's talk about receiving a call. "May I know who's calling please? Who am I speaking with?" So may I know where are you from? So next is, what if we have to put someone on hold? Sometimes it happen we have to put someone on hold. Then what will be the conversation? "May I please put you on hold for a moment, if you don't mind?" Okay, could you hold on please? Just for a moment please, hold on. So we can speak like this. Okay, what if someone call you and you are busy? Okay, then what will be the conversation? "I'm sorry, I'm just in the middle of something. Could I call you back?" "I'm sorry, I'm getting into a class right now. Could I please call you back in an hour?" Okay, next is, "I am tied up at the moment. Can I call you back in an hour?" Okay, till now we have learned how to speak in a office number, how to speak in a direct in someone's mobile, receiving a call, someone is busy, and how to leave a message to the person. So we have learned these all things till now. Now it's a very important thing. Sometimes we have to cancel and reschedule your timing. So talk will be like this: Ma'am, I'm sorry. I will not able to attend the class tomorrow due to some due to due to medical issue. Okay, may I please request for a replacement class if possible? I'm sorry, we might have to X or call off the event. So let's look at the bad network issue. Sometimes happen na, you don't get a good network, and that at that time you don't know how to handle handle this situation. So we can say this: I'm sorry, I can't hear you well. I'm sorry, your voice seems to be breaking up. Okay, the network is bad. Could you please repeat that? Okay, let me call you back from another number or another place. And let's come on the battery problem, low battery problem. Okay, let's so we can be say that we might get cut off since my battery is about to die. I might lose you since my battery is very low. I am running on low battery problem. Could you please send me a message, text message, and I will call you back. I will call you back once I charge my phone. And one more thing. Let me grab a charger and I will call you back right now. So here we learn many English phrases, how to speak, how to speak in a telephonic conversation, which will really going to help you and make you smart in a telephonic conversation. Hope this video will really help you, and thank you so much for watching this video till the end. Have a good day. Thank you.